crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and Fat Quarter Shop. It's that time of the month, which means John probably got another project that's going on the shelf because he double ordered this project. But it is what it is, guys, and you know what? I am going to have so much fun putting these together. I'm hoping to start doing some of these type of projects up at the park home. And let's see what Fat Quarter Shop sent. Yes, exactly what I thought it was. If you follow the channel, you know that I also subscribe to the door of the month, door banner kit of the month through Stitch in Heaven and also through Fat Quarter Shop. This one happened to get here quicker. It's called Patriot Dreams Door Banner Kit, designed by Amy Smart of Diary of a Quilter. And look how adorable this is. So I really like that. I really like following Red, White, and Blue Patriotic. I think, you know, as much as I love Halloween and I love fall and I love some of the spring colors, I love the bright red and white colors for summer. And, you know, it just screams summer to me, right? So if you look at this, this says 4th of July, look at me, I'm patriotic, I'm all those things, and yet it's not even an American flag or anything on there, but we just know what this represents. So again, I think this is really cool. I have been so happy with each one of these this year. This is the Riley Blake door banner of the month. I have yet to do the first one. I have a shelf full. I have duplicates because I didn't remember that I bought it from one shop, so I bought it from another shop. And so at some point, I've got to get at least one done. If I end up doing both of them, I'll end up gifting them probably to my daughter or someone, or I may use one at the park home and one down here. So we don't know yet. But at some point, I do need to start working on those. But again, this was just a quick video. It was just saying, hey y'all, hope things are going well. Hope you're having an amazing weekend. I've posted this on Saturday morning, which is a few hours before our Kentucky Derby party. So this afternoon we will be drinking mint juleps, bourbon slush, and for those more fruity friends that we have, we're actually making strawberry daiquiris in our Margaritaville maker. So a little alcohol flowing around this afternoon. We're doing shredded pulled pork in that, and we are having a hat contest. So I will be showing my hat off, hopefully showing off some of the arrangements and that we put together and all the decorating, and reporting back out to you on Sunday afternoon. But with that said, I appreciate each and every one of you. Welcome, 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 new subscribers. If you follow other channels, you'll probably see my channel's completely different because I'm a little off at times. But, you know, it's just who we are and what we enjoy. And we appreciate each and every one of you that subscribe to our channel. We love the comments. I missed a day and a half of responding to some, and was a little embarrassed when I went in and saw how many that I had to respond to. So, you know, guys, just have patience with us. Our channel's still new. We're not even quite a year old yet. We have over 800 followers, and we just stand back in awe of how many people have at least hit that subscribe button. So with that said, we appreciate all of you. If you like what we're doing, hit that thumbs up. Tell your friends, neighbors, and anyone that'll listen about our channel. And hopefully we're doing some things that register with you and things that you enjoy watching. So until next time, I'm going to say happy crafting.